Interview questions for an accountant position. Let's start.
1. What methods do you use for estimating bad debt? There are two methods candidates might mention for bad debt estimations: the percentage sales method and the accounts receivable aging method. It's also essential that candidates understand what bad debt is because their knowledge could save your company from potential bankruptcy. A simple definition is that bad debt represents any outstanding loads or balances that a company cannot collect from customers. Below are the two common methods for estimating bad debt. Percentage sales method: the accountant will multiply the yearly credit sales by the estimated percentage of bad debt. For example, let's say that the company has a net credit of $70,000 and that the accountant concluded that 8% of the credit is uncollectible. This means that the company's bad debt for this year is $5,600, $70,000 x 8%. Aging of accounts receivable: in this method, the accountant will calculate open accounts receivable using the age of the outstanding invoice. They can then estimate the average percentage of bad debt in each category based on historical data and apply it to the corresponding outstanding balances to estimate the bad debt provision. This method is better for determining account allowances. 2. What accounting software are you familiar with? Accounting software helps accountants record and report a company's finances efficiently. Software programs may also reduce human error and ensure top accuracy in financial documentation. Specific features such as workflow automation and project management tools help streamline accounting processes. Hiring candidates with solid technical skills is essential for building a strong accounting team. Not all candidates will have experience with the software you're using, but they should still understand how accounting software works. Some of the best accounting software programs include Xero, QuickBooks Online, Traverse, Sage Business Cloud, FreshBooks, NetSuite, Kasha, Zoho Books, Blackline. 3. Do you have any experience with enterprise resource planning systems? An enterprise resource planning system, ERP, is a type of software that supports and automates HR, finance, procurement, and supply chain management processes. There are many industries, like, for example, retail and manufacturing, that use these systems. Senior accountants may have more experience with ERPs, but understanding what they do and how they work is still essential for all job applicants. Some of the most common ERP systems include Oracle Cloud Enterprise Resource Planning, Microsoft Dynamics 365, SAP ERP, Odoo, ERP Next, SAP S/4HANA, Web ERP, Dalabar, Triton. 4. What is the difference between depreciation and amortization? Depreciation represents the value reduction in fixed assets within a tax year, which is an important concept in accounting because it allows companies to earn back asset costs. These assets may comprise transport, buildings, and equipment that a company buys in larger lump sums. On the other hand, amortization is the process of distributing the cost of intangible and tangible assets. These expenses usually cover long-term investments such as computers and vehicles over their lifetime. 5. Errors can be detrimental to accounting processes. Tell me how you reduce the risk of making errors. 2/3, 66%, of the leaders of accounting firms said they plan to offer training about the latest regulatory changes to employees to ensure their work is error-free. However, knowledgeable candidates might not require extensive training during onboarding if they have strong attention to detail skills and are making an effort to stay up to date with new laws and regulations. Strong candidates will be able to complete tasks effectively and without making mistakes. Those who are willing to consistently work on improving their attention to detail, time management, and mathematical skills are also more likely to produce error-free work. But candidates should also have specific strategies in place to reduce accounting errors and enhance the client-company relationship. Some of those might be to check every record before uploading it, Back up important taxes and expenses files. Use accounting software to prevent human error. Confirm specific details or calculations with team members when necessary. Diligently save all receipts and documents. 6. How do you adopt a new system or process? Your company might implement a new accounting system or process that employees must learn quickly. For example, you may decide to try another popular accounting software program that has more advanced payroll or budgeting features, if those are essential for your business. So, it's important to hire candidates who are flexible and willing to learn, adapt to new processes, and develop their skills. Therefore, listen out for answers that show that applicants have a growth mindset and are willing to adapt to changes. Some strategies they might mention include to learn more about what's changing, take part in training programs, research the new system or process, ask questions to managers and team members.